Hello my people, this is Raising Boys with Glado The Nutritionist, and today I want us to do something different. Today we are talking about diabetes. Okorwo tukiruga o tukiaraniria tukierethera uhoro wigie murimu wa sukari. I have some green vegetables. I have managus here, a few bunch of managus. Worth 25 shillings. Worth 25 shillings. I also have some sukuma wikis. For those who normally have acidity from sukuma wikis, we'll be doing more videos on the other vegetables that you can substitute with. I'll start by preparing our vegetables. So for my shosho back at home, mothe turaruga ngima na turuge nyeni ya mathukuma na managu na tucoco ni undu wa protein ni undu wa indo cia gugwaka mwiri. So this is how we do it. You must check for magunyos. Turarora magunyo soso. Magunyo turarora riu. And as you can see, I'm cutting my kales from here. Most of the nutrients are on the stalk. Most of them are on the stalk, so we are not removing all of it. We are making healthy foods. And today I'm concentrating on sick people. All of us, we have shoshos, we have parents, we have people who are diabetic, so it is important we discuss about diabetes. Murimu wa sukari, yes, that is what we are going to talk about today. Come along. I'll be mixing English, Kiswahili, Kikuyu, because I want my shosho to watch this video. I want her to watch this video. She's not diabetic, but I want her to watch the video so that she can cancel other shoshos there back at home. Yeah, I want her to cancel other people. I want her to tell other people about diabetes. Done with the sukuma wiki. I'm now going to prepare my managus. They are so nutritious, very easy to prepare. African vegetable, and they are fresh. It's good to prepare the vegetables yourself so that you are able to sort them out and check for wadudus. So it is very easy. Just take your time. So let's talk about preparation. I know this will be a video on itself, but let's go through as we prepare our managus. It is not good to wash your vegetables after you've cut them. Okay? So kanori ogi urathikiriria na ruthiomi rwa gikuyu. Wambage ugathondeka nyeni ciaku ugicoka gucikera. Ugacithondeka ukarora magunyo. Ukarora magunyo ugacoka ugacithondeka. Uhoro ucio wa guthia gutinirio nyeni na wina time. Wina ndagika cia gwithondekera. tiwega. It is not good. Take time, make your vegetables. So that you are able even to know what you are eating. Sort your vegetables first before you shred them, because if you shred your vegetables before you sort them out first, you eat wadudus, magunyo, na uchafu, because already utakuwa umezikata huko ndani. So sort your vegetables first. And also you lose a lot of nutrients. We don't just eat to be satisfied. We eat because we want nutrients, and we want to put life into food. You want to put life into food. So wherever you are eating, ask yourself, are all the nutrients available? So from the vegetables, what do we get? We get iron. That is one thing we get from the vegetables. From the green vegetables, yes, we get iron. We get calcium from the kales. They are very rich in calcium. So the combination that I've made today is very good for the shoshos. For those people who have diabetes, because you need iron. You need iron to be able to fight the disease. Because if you have wounds, they need to heal. They need to be supplied with a lot of iron. And also because the disease comes along with the age. You need a lot of calcium from the vegetables. So don't lose these nutrients. Make sure they are all intact. Kore shosho wito taraigua gikuyu githungu ndirauga atiriri thukuma ici turathondeka ri ni wega gucithondeka alafu ugacithambia ugacoka ugacikera niki tondu thukuma ici ni cikoragwo na iron. Iron ni thakame ya redi, thakame iria itwaraga oxygen itwaraga riera thakame iria ikuaga riera thiini wa mwiri waku. Yes. Iyo niyo turetha thiini wa thukuma ici. Na wacithambia alafu wacikera alafu ucithambie, tugukorwo tugite nutrients icio ciothe, kana tugukorwo tugite undu ucio urehaga tugukorwo tugite thakame. Na tondu we shosho we ni urenda calcium, ni urenda ukorwo na mahindi mena hinya, ni urenda ukorwo na mahindi mena hinya, thukuma ici no cigukuhe ki calcium. Calcium ni ri etumaga ukorwo na mahindi mena hinya, ukahota kwihanda uguo, ukahota kuhaga ciana ciaku cia gucerera. Yes, uguo niguo turenda. So ukahota kunihaga uguo, ukanihaga, ndagucerera ukanihaga, ndagucerera ukanihaga, ukanyita uguo na hinya. Ngaigua ni ndi shosho, tugacoka tukaina, shosho ngakuinira rwimbo nyendete. Ndoraga mutumia uria waciarire mami, ngaigua ngoro eno ikimwenda, ngaigua guthuthuia, ninathiaga gwa cucu nie kumucerera, ndakinya ngerwo gacucu taikara haha, cucu agacoka na nyumba kandutira haha, magego wina mo githiko ninwa nganeyo keyori gya coro ngaigwa mwire woka wega ngomota bubu. The next thing we are going to do is to wash them. If possible, wash your vegetables with running water. If it is not possible, like me, it is possible to wash my vegetables with running water. But being an African girl that I am, I think I'm wasting water. So what I'll do, I'll put water here, I'll put some vinegar, and then I'll wash my vegetables. I wash them and rinse them. So there I go. Agiko ina mai ma kuigana, kana wina mai ungihota guthambia thukuma ciaku hau sink-ini ugathambia uguo mai magithiaga, uguo niguo kwagirire. No tondu ithuĩ nĩ tũĩ gũthima, tũrĩ athimi, tuthimaga mai tondu nĩ mai megoro gũkĩrĩha. Koguo rĩ tũgwĩkĩra haha, tucoke twĩke atĩa, tuthambie na tukamũre. Ũngĩkorwo wĩna kavinega kana kadimu cũcũ angĩkorwo nĩ ũrĩmaga ndimũ, tũngĩkorwo no twĩkĩre mai-inĩ maitũ tũthambie, nĩguo angĩkorwo nyeni icio ciuma kũndũ ũtarehoka, kũndũ kwĩna germs, kũndũ kwĩna sewage, kũndũ ũtarehoka, ũtaragũtrust, where you don't trust, So what we do, we put some vinegar ama some ndimũ ũgekĩra mai-inĩ, ũkabathambia kĩrĩa gĩaku, germs iria ciuma ho cigakua, ũgakamũra, ũgatinia.